What happens when you disappear for 30 days? No parties, no endless scrolling, no wasting time trying to impress people who don't even care about your future. Just you and one mission, because right now, most people are living on autopilot. They wake up tired, scroll for hours, talk about dreams they never chase, and repeat the same cycle every single day. But if you isolate yourself from distraction for just 30 days, you can completely change the direction of your life. More money, better body, sharper mind, stronger discipline. This is not motivation. This is a system. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact 7-step framework that can make you outperform 99% of people around you. So before you continue scrolling, sit down, focus, and watch this until the end. Because the next 30 days could change everything. Step 1. Audit your energy. The first thing you need to understand is this. Most people don't fail because they lack potential. They fail because their energy leaks everywhere. Every day, your attention gets stolen. By social media, by useless conversations, by random entertainment, by habits that slowly destroy your focus. And the scary part is, most people don't even notice it happening. They spend 5 minutes scrolling, which turns into 2 hours. They open one video, then suddenly, it's midnight. And after all that time is gone, they wonder why their life never changes. So before you build a better life, you need to close the leaks first. Take a piece of paper and write down the 3 biggest things wasting your time every day. Be honest. Maybe it's endless scrolling. Maybe it's gaming for hours. Maybe it's staying up late doing nothing important. Identify them. Because for the next 30 days, you need to protect your energy like your future depends on it. Because it does. Step 2. Choose one priority. Here's why most people never make real progress. They try to improve everything at once. They want money, a perfect body, a business, new skills, more confidence, more productivity. And because their focus is split in every direction, they master nothing. Listen carefully. Human energy is limited. If you spread your focus across 10 goals, you move slowly in all of them. But when you focus on one mission with full intensity, your progress becomes explosive. So for the next 30 days, choose one target, one skill, one goal, one obsession. Maybe it's building your body. Maybe it's learning editing. Maybe it's improving your communication skills. Maybe it's building an online income. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is commitment. Write it down and do not change it halfway through. Because discipline begins the moment you stop chasing every distraction. Step 3. Turn goals into daily actions. Goals mean nothing without execution. Everybody loves talking about big dreams. Very few people create systems for daily action, and that's why they stay stuck. You don't achieve success in one giant moment. You achieve it through repeated daily actions. So stop focusing only on the final result. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do today that moves me closer to my goal? That question changes everything. If your goal is making money, your first task might be researching valuable skills. If your goal is building an aesthetic body, your task might be finding a workout plan and going to the gym. If your goal is improving your mind, your task might be reading 20 pages every day. And here's the important part. Every night before sleeping, write down only 3 priority tasks for tomorrow. Not 10, not 20, just 3. 3 high-impact actions that actually move your life forward. That's it. Simple, focused, effective. Step 4. Create sacred hours. This step is where your transformation truly begins. Because deep focus is a superpower now. Most people cannot focus for even 10 minutes without checking their phone. Their brain is addicted to stimulation, notifications, messages, short videos, constant dopamine. And because of that, their mind becomes weak. But when you learn how to work deeply, you become dangerous. You do not need 12 hours of work every day. You only need 2 or 3 hours of absolute focus. No phone, no notifications, no distractions. Just you and the task. Create what I call sacred hours. A period every day where nothing can interrupt your focus. Maybe early morning, maybe at night, but during those hours, you lock in completely. Work for 40 to 60 minutes. Take a short break, then repeat. And during your break, do not open social media. Let your brain rest naturally. Because attention is like a muscle. The more you protect it, the stronger it becomes. Step 5. Execution over motivation. Now here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel inspired. Some days you feel tired, stressed, and lazy. If you only work when you feel motivated, you will never become consistent. That's why successful people rely on standards, not emotions. You need a minimum standard that you follow no matter how you feel, even on bad days, especially on bad days. Maybe your standard is 1 hour of study, 45 minutes of training, completing at least one important task. The goal is simple. Never break the system. Because discipline is not about feeling good. It's about proving to yourself that you can move forward even when you don't want to. That is how mental toughness is built, one difficult day at a time. Step 6. Track your progress. A lot of people think they are working hard, but they never actually measure progress. They confuse being busy with being productive. And those are two very different things. You need data, not feelings. Every week, sit down and evaluate yourself honestly. Ask yourself, how many priority tasks did I complete? What did I improve this week? What skills did I build? Did my actions actually move me closer to my goal? Because if your actions are not producing progress, something needs to change. Without reflection, you can waste months going in circles, working hard on the wrong things. So track your progress, measure it, improve it, and attack the next week smarter than before. Step 7. Build a new identity. This final step changes everything. Because lasting transformation is not about goals, it's about identity. Most people still see themselves as lazy, undisciplined, weak, distracted, and because of that, they return to old habits over and over again. You must change the way you see yourself. Stop saying, I'm trying to be disciplined. Instead, say, I am disciplined. Stop saying, I'm trying to get healthy. Say, I'm the type of person who takes care of his body. Your identity controls your behavior. When your identity changes, discipline becomes natural, because now you are no longer forcing yourself to act differently. You are different, Bethel, the real transformation, not external, internal. So here's the challenge. Disappear for 30 days. Not forever. Just long enough to rebuild yourself. Cut the distractions. Focus on one mission. Execute daily. Protect your attention. Track your progress. Become someone new. Because after 30 days, you may not be perfect, but you will think differently, move differently, live differently. And while everyone else keeps wasting time, you'll already be ahead. The hardest part is starting. So start today. Not next week, not next month, today, because your future is being built by what you choose to do right now. Disappear for 30 days and come back stronger than ever.